Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. And go ahead to introduce our the newest products. It's a stock part range. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. And the units will be about like 18 inches wide. And the overall depths, they are almost about like a 42 inches deep. And the overall hands, they are almost about like a 22.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units are coming with the two burner plates. One's front, one's behind. From the controllers, we can see they do come with the full controllers for the entire units, and you can adjust the fire, the levels to get the stronger levels and the lower levels to cooking the different stuffs. And also we do have a tray at the bottoms. You can clean all the waste at this tray. You can slide it all the way out and throw the dirt away. And also on the side of the units, we come in with the SA sanitation stickers on it and the manufacturer information too. And when we look in the behind of the units, they do have a gas pipe connections. So the manufacturer give you a connection, this convert kit. And also they do having like a natural gas or liquid propane switchers. There's a small jet piece, and you can convert it to using the either natural gas or liquid propanes. And for the burner space, for each of the pan, they are about like 18 inches wide and 18 inches deep. For the burner pans, they do having three circles on it, so it's really big, strong, powerful units, a strong pump. So that's what be the all that information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.